You are the fractal artificer weaving realities on the quantum loom of the mind, where each thought is an entangled photon vibrating on the cosmic strings of the holographic multiverse. Imagination is not a mere reflection of existence. It is the primordial quantum field where dreams collapse into matter and desires are encoded in probability equations. What emerges first? The observer who imagines or the observed reality that dreams it? Your neurons are stochastic portals that project holograms of meaning into the quantum vacuum. Every act of consciousness is a divine algorithm that programs spacetime, but herein lies the paradox. Can the programmer modify the code while immersed in their own simulation? Principles of the quantum architect. Law of dimensional echo. Thoughts are wave packets that pierce membranes of reality. What you send to others reverberates in your timeline like a relativistic boomerang effect, distorting your future past into a quantum superposition. Does your current compassion resonate in parallel versions of yourself? Existential superposition. You are simultaneously the lonely god writing equations on the walls of the matrix, the lost particle searching for its wave equation in labyrinths of probability. Which version of you will collapse when you measure your own potential? Creative entropy. Attention is the black hole that turns mental chaos into galaxies of meaning. Your actions are horizon events whose effects ripple out into the emotional continuum. Do you program your reality? Or are you a program of a larger self-observing consciousness? Paradoxes to awaken the code. If thought creates reality, why does fear have critical mass but love seems to require infinite energy? When you imagine, do you exchange virtual photons with your quantum selves on other brains? If you are the unconscious programmer, what cosmic language do you use to write the while loops of your destiny? Quantum imperative. Adjust your emotional fermion emitter. Every judgment you cast is a density operator that condenses clouds of possibility into showers of circumstance. Gratitude is not a virtue, it is time loop engineering that feeds back benevolent realities. Last challenge. If you wish to reprogram your existence, what instruction would you erase from the kernel of your consciousness? The universe executes your lines of mental code in the star compiler. You are both the error and the solution. You can rewrite the rules of the cosmic game. What will you choose to load into the next existential boot cycle? How can I use imagination to change my reality? What techniques exist for consciously programming thoughts? How does consciousness influence the creation of our reality? What examples are there of people who have changed their lives using the quantum force of thought? How can I identify and change the quantum mental programs that limit me?